Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Zoom on your laptop and computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just open up any of your browser. Then in Google, just type Zoom. Then just hit enter. In the first result, you'll find Zoom's website, which is zoom.com. Just go to inside it. And after the website loads, what you have to do is click on accept cookies and just scroll all the way down. And under here, you'll find Zoom. Just click on Zoom Workplace. Then just wait and just go a little bit down. Click on accept cookies. And now from here, you need to download Zoom Workplace for your Windows or for your mobile, whichever you want. I'm just gonna download for Windows now. So select the version of Windows you have. Mine is a 64-bit operating system. If yours is 32-bit or ARM64, just select those. I'm gonna download this one. Then the installer file will start to download. Just wait for it. And after it has been downloaded successfully, what you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on it. Click on open file. You can minimize your browser now. Then just wait. Zoom will automatically install on your PC. Just give it some time. And there you go. Zoom has been installed. Then just wait. It will open itself. And if it doesn't open, you can just always go to search and search for Zoom. And then just open it yourself. Or you can just use this. As you can see, the installation was successful. Then you can either check this or uncheck this if you don't want automatic updates. I don't want it, so I'm gonna uncheck this and click on done. Then you can just join a meeting or just sign up and sign into your account. And there you go. You have Zoom on your PC. And basically that is how to download Zoom on your laptop and computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.